Time to reset for the month of March. Hey friends, and welcome back to my planner desk. I'm so happy to have you here with me. I've already dated my monthly because this is an undated Go Getter Girl planner. And I'm using the Universal March kit from Exo Mama Plans. I've really enjoyed using these. It's just made life a little bit nicer. Her monthly kits are always great. I am really hoping that March comes in like a lamb and goes out like a lamb because I am spent. It has been, you know what, I think I want to do it this way. It has been quite the February. I'm filming this on the last day of February. And February was rough. So I'm hoping for a quiet March. It doesn't mean that things won't happen. It doesn't mean that there isn't lots going on. There is. But maybe not to the extent that February was. No. I mean, is it the end of the world? It isn't. It'll stay. It'll be fine. Little crooked, but again, not the end of the world. March is also the month for spring break, which is always delightful. I did that wrong. Can I take you up? Thank you. Okay. Let's get you lined up on the edge here. One thing I am really proud about myself for February, because February is a short month, the longest short month, that I was able to get 5 books done. Now, 2 of them were very short audiobooks, but still, that's pretty amazing for me. I feel like I had this epiphany. I've had a lot of epiphanies in the month of February as well. I feel like I just needed practice with reading, which sounds silly. Like, I'm an adult, but like practicing the habit of reading is what I should say. Clearly I can read. I do like my audiobooks for my commutes, but yes. Okay. Sunday. Monday. How cute is this? I have enjoyed this daily planner. I'm sad that Go Getter Girl is no longer in business, but it did give me like, okay, this is how I would use a daily planner. I will be using another Go Getter Girl for the second half of the year because it's only a 6-month planner, and I actually started this in November of 2025, so I could kind of get started with it. Hi, Sharpie Doo. He's like, whatever. Let's go ahead and mark off spring break. I think that's important. I like the little journaling. Well, hang on. I've been doing the month on the edge here. You hanging off just slightly. Hang on. And the dogs are like, but the sun is out, Mama. We should go for W. And we will. I know we've had 2 really nice days. If my voice is soft, I apologize. I did suffer from some vocal strain. I was laughing because I've never experienced this, but it's the only way I thought I could describe it. It felt like someone had punched me in the throat. Nobody did that I know of, but yeah, it's been, and it hurt to swallow. It was different than like a sick sore throat. It was just, it's just different. I don't know how else to describe it. So spring break goes there. Let's use one of these guys to note it. Let's use the rose gold. Looks a little bit nicer, a little cohesive. So I'm still getting over that. So if I'm quieter, that's why. I don't typically use the Buildu stickers, but I do have one that I take care of for my folks. Like, they pay it, but I'm the one, since they don't do the online thing as much, it's my job to make sure it happens, so I make a mark on my planner for that. This is where I typically do my reading. Like my TBR goes here. Let me grab my little reading girl. Yeah, like I said, 5. I'll grab these guys up just in case. 5 books in February. One was a reread. I'm starting to reread Throne of Glass because last year when I started it, I was going through the library with the audiobooks and they didn't have all of them. So I was like, okay. So now, since I took a break from it, I'm restarting at the beginning and I'm going through Audible because I enjoyed the series enough that I was like, okay, I don't mind using my Audible credits for this. I'm going to put 5 stickers just in case. The worst thing that happens is I don't use them all. So, funny story. I'm enjoying Emily Henry. She's been fun to read. I have to look at my other prompts for my challenges to know exactly which ones I need. We have Spring Forward, Daylight Savings Time. Do I still have a Daylight Savings Time begins? There it is. On the 8th. Oh, I have a St. Patrick's Day too. That's awesome. I don't think I have a Palm Sunday on here anymore. Couple meetings going on, so I need to make sure I have meetings noted. I think so. That would be board meeting, that's bylaws meeting, I have class, so many things. Let's use the tiny dots for these. So there, 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 there. Let's go here. I can put this one under payday. Ooh, a little too close. So Thursdays I have Real Appeal meetings. which is my health and wellness thing. It's free through my insurance, so that's also nice. And choir begins. So here we have class, bylaws, fame. So this is part of a board that I'm on. This is for professional development. This is Real Appeal. Real Appeal is, like I said, covered by my insurance. So if you have United Healthcare, see if it's covered with yours. It's been really nice. Choir. Choirs after school. Spring break, obviously no. Choir. All right. So that part's done there. Let me cross off. I have my little checklist here of things I need to put down. I need to put down Palm Sunday when I have a chiropractor appointment. What am I do for a chiropractor? Let's just use the push pin because yes, it's a doctor, but I think I'm gonna have to make. Oh, doctor's gonna go on the 26th. And this is cut row. Da 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 da. Cross those off. Let's do the flag. And there we go. We got that and we got that. Woohoo! All right, now let's go through, and this is where I might get even more quiet and kind of speed up. My monthly goals and action steps, because I'll have to refer back to February and refer back to the front of my planner. So if I go back, maybe I won't speed up. Maybe I will talk through this. I did not bake at all this month. I did film another lesson. We still need to schedule a friend outing, and I still need to email principals about certain things. So let's do my teacher trainer tasks. So if you're new to my channel, I'm currently working on becoming a teacher trainer in the music methods that I teach. So I need to film. This is actually kind of an action step. Lesson, which will I think it's going to be in that area there where I filmed the last lesson. Film last. That came out weird, but that's okay. We're gonna keep it. It's fine. It should be film last lesson. Brain. It's just where we're at, and it's okay. Good gravy. I need to do that. I need to complete task 6. Complete. This is an intro to the methodology, and I have to film it. So I need to email principal, schedule, date, finish, slides. So that's all for task number 6. So, and most of it I've already done. Like, most of the slides are done. These 2 things, because life has been a little lifey, has been a little bit harder to get to. But slides are almost done. Dare I say bake this month? Oh, schedule friend outing. That we need to do. I'm not going to worry about baking. So here, I'm actually going to add something because I feel like in the last few months I haven't really done anything there. Oh, I did. Tonal time 6 days a week. We got pretty close, but this time I want to work on clean and tidy spaces and mind. Oh, that's the other thing. Tiny Habits is another book. One of the things we talked about at my last Real Appeal meeting was keeping things, keeping your spaces clear so that your word's hard this morning. Man, I thought I'd be much better at this today, but I'm clearly still tired. Keeping your spaces, and then you got the dogs, and your mind clear to help you with your health goals. Sorry for the shadowing. I was trying to, it's my coffee. I can move that slightly. I'll have to open up the curtains a little bit more, but it is very sunny out, which is delightful. I think that's where we're going to end this one, friends. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and I hope you come back and play with me at my desk next time. Happy March!